Hello, audience. I got a typewriter. This is an update video. I have returned. And all your base is belong to us. Now, to any viewers, I have a new writing utensil that I'm enjoying. It is a typewriter from 1970 something or other. And it works pretty great. I got it for $150 at my local thrift shop. It is a Coronet Super 12 Smith Corona. Pretty cool. Obviously I have been doing some serious writing. My last video, all the pages for that were in fact written on the typewriter. I have this big ass case right here. The typewriter itself and the case total to about 35 pounds. Too heavy for a typewriter, at least. These are my papers. Some of the astute of you may have noticed in my background that I have a filing cabinet, and guess what? I now have my typewriter paper in my filing cabinet. Pretty cool. I'm an office worker in the 80s. Now, this typewriter is pretty cool. I plan on writing out a lot of new videos on it. It's pretty sick. I put it on the bed. I don't write with it on the bed because it bounces around a lot. Hi, JD. I'm in a different spot right now. I got rid of half of my couch, and I write right there on the floor with my typewriter, looking out the window. There's a window right there. That's why it's so goddamn bright. Natural lighting. My exposure is actually turned down because it was so bright you couldn't see me, and it got bright again. It's brighter now. It's even more bright, and you still can't see me. Hello, audience. How are you doing? I am pretty good, actually. Work's been going pretty well. I have been eating semi-okay. And God, frick this little sun. I'm happy the sun is out. I'm happy of this. I like the sun. I like the warmth. But man, could not have been out when I was out earlier. I bought some new books. They're behind me right now because convenience for video. It is White Book number 1 and White Book number 2. It is the on Writing and World Building by Timothy Hickson. He is also known as the YouTuber Hello Future Me. Seems cool. Seems like a cool guy. I like his videos. Go check him out, and I'll tell you if his books are good, I guess. Typewriter. I don't have much more to say about the typewriter. I plan on doing storyboards, outlines, journaling, all on the typewriter. Actually, here's something I can say about the typewriter. I bought some paper. It's 14 by 8.5 because it felt better. I don't know, it felt weird. The paper felt too short, so I wanted the paper to be longer. I got longer paper. Solution. Alright, other video stuff. Hopefully I can get you another video out before I leave for tomorrow and record some stuff for my Clips guy to do on the second channel. Go check that out. But this is the end of this video. Go check out Good vs. Evil. That should be on your screen. You should click that. And I hope you have a good day, I guess. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Subscribe. Subscribe now. I'm shutting the camera. Goodbye now. Goodbye.